Have you asked yourself why your mini importation business is not bringing you money? Have you asked yourself why are other people successful and I am not? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and today I am going to be giving you reasons why your mini importation business is not bringing you money. I know you might be seeing some information updates, make 500 million sales, no, 500,000 naira sales a month, 1 million sales a month profit. Yeah, it is possible. But how? It depends on how you are re-strategizing, doing things, strategizing and doing things. These are my reasons. In this video, I am going to be sharing 6 reasons why your mini importation business is not bringing you sales. Number 1, you need to find your niche. Many people don't know their niche. What do I want to sell? Because you see that Chioma is making sales on fashion, or she's selling hair and she's making her money, and you now want to sell Chioma's hair. You might be lucky. It might work for you. It might not work for you. Many importation business needs you to research. You need to research on how will I make these sales. When you start importing Chioma's products and you're not selling, you start complaining. That's because Chioma knows how to go about his own business. You need to plan your business. Write out your business plan. How do I reach out to my customers? Who are my customers? Before you even start importing anything, you need to know how you want it. How am I going to sell these products? When you now gather them, how am I going to sell? I remember two years ago, my girlfriend called me and said that we should join money and buy bicycles, children's bicycles, so that we can sell and make money. That children's bicycles is selling. I told her I don't have money. So what if I had contributed money to that business? Do you know I would drown? Because I don't know anything about children's bicycles. Maybe she had her plans on how to, sell those products. But what about me? How do I sell them? I can't just go and buy products because somebody is selling these products, the person is making money, and I'll now go, and start doing my own. It doesn't work that way. You need to re-strategize, plan your business, research about that business, and know if it's going to work for you. Number 2, the product that you are importing, they are cheap. It doesn't have value. It doesn't have quality. When you see make money on mini importation, import cheap things so that you now from China, you now come here and sell them and make huge profits. And you now go there and gather all the cheap products that they have here. And right now, your money is stocked. It's better for me to go to and source those products. If I want to buy a cheap product, it's better I buy it here, the one that I am seeing. I can't go to China. Maybe, okay, no, you're not going anywhere. Go import things on China that are cheap. And when I get here, they don't have quality. It will be difficult for you to sell. When you see those things, those pictures, they are so beautiful, the way the camera and everything. And when you now say, okay, this is 8 yuan, this is 10 yuan, it's very cheap, you now bring them here. Or you'll be very, very sorry for yourself. Because how do you want to sell them? How do you want to sell them? So it's better for you to go inside the market. Either you go to Lagos or you go to Onitsha and buy the product that you want. I think it's better that way than to waste your money. Don't try and waste your money importing things that you cannot sell, things that doesn't have quality. Number 2, funding. Some people don't have financial discipline on their finance, on their money. This is money meant for business and not for spending spree. You're supposed to open like 3 accounts if you're a business person. One for your spending or your daily living, like if I want to do my hair or I want to maybe recharge my phone. Then the other one for my business sales. Then the other one for my profits. Once I sell anything, maybe I've calculated all my expenses, overheads. I will know, okay, my profit here is 5,000, 10,000, 2,000. I can now, transfer it to that account. Because if you are lodging all this money, before you start spending this money. And when you now want to, buy another goods, reinvest, there's no money left to import again. Either you start borrowing or you start calling people to help you borrow you money. Meanwhile, you have spent all your money. So you need to differentiate your money when you are doing a mini importation business. There might be sales, so you might be selling, but the way you are selling it, you're eating the money. And make sure you are not selling on credit. I remember when I started my business, I was like, okay, people were, the offline people now, they will come and pick some certain things and they will not pay me. When I now want to now buy markets, there's no money to buy. I can't see my money. I can't see my goods. So avoid selling credits. It kills the business as well. By the time you now want to, buy another thing, you will not see the money. It's gone. It's gone. And who is going to give you? How are you going to get that money? So you need to be very, very careful of your funding, your money. Protect that money with your heart. Guide the money with your heart. The next one is your promotion and your marketing. How do you market your business? You buy those things, mini importation, I've landed now, you now relax. If you don't talk to people about your business, they will not know what you're doing. If you don't tell them your business, your products need to be visible, whether you have your own website, whether you're on Jumia, Facebook Marketplace, Konga, all those places, you still need to market it offline and tell people what you are doing. Whether you're using email marketing or you're using text messages or WhatsApp story, all those stories or whatever, new arrivals are here. Market to people. Communicate with them when they ask you questions. How are you doing this? You need to answer them well. Monitor your business very, very well. It is very, very important. If you're not doing all these things, everything might be stuck up there. The next one is limited demand. If you're doing mini importation and you're importing things without demand, no demand, and you're importing, you want to buy them because maybe you like them now. I like this gown, I like this clothes. You're the one that will wear it though. You need to import something that has a demand, competition, because at the end of the day, your money is going to be stocked up. When your money is stocking up, anything that is there is money. So don't make that mistake of stocking up your products, buying things that is not needed because you now like something. Are you the only one that will wear those 10 pieces that you're buying? Make sure you know your audience, people that need that product. If it's slippers that you want to sell, fine. If it's hair, beauty products, if it's fashion, if it's security, wellness, there is money in all the niches. But you need to find where your own demand, where your abilities are, so that it will be able to see it and your money will now come back to you. That's just it. If the demand is not much, source that thing locally here in Nigeria and make sure you find it and sell. Maybe you can buy small, little by little, and sell and make your profit and see your money sharp, sharp. This one is number 6. If your mini importation business is not bringing you money, that particular niche that you're doing, you can as well change it and re-strategize. Look for another type of business. It's not late. Then if you have your other products, you can still sell them at cost price and collect your money back. Have at least your capital first. Then you can now re-strategize. That you failed in this business doesn't mean that you're going to fail on that one. This one will now make you to learn and know how to start the next one. Research, ask questions. It's never late to start again. That's just it. When you re-strategize, do all these things, make sure on how you spend your money so that when you now want to reinvest your money, you order for goods and they will now come for you. If you have any question, guys, put it on the comment section, share, like my videos. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, because so that anytime I post any videos, you'll be the first to get it. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I make videos about your business growth, how to make money and sustain that your business. Thank you guys, and bye bye. God bless you.